Hi, I'm Rick Algren, and we're going to be baling some dry hay today, so I'll give you guys kind of a little snapshot of what we're doing. It's a little bit dusty, it's a little dry, but I guess it's a little better than too wet, so alright, here we go. Alright, so now the monitor just told me that the bale is large enough to wrap with net wrap. So right now the baler is just got done putting the net wrap around, and now I'm going to eject the bale. I have to lift the tailgate and then drop it back down, and now I'm ready to start baling again. We don't have too much of this field to do. Most of this field, or I guess the other fields that we mowed down, we chopped for haylage, and we filled up our bunker completely. And so we decided we're just going to bale the rest. So we got a little bit in this field, and then I already finished baling the other field. So this baler also has knives in it, so it is somewhat slicing the hay as it's entering the baler.
Thanks for watching, everybody. If you would like to see us pick up the bales off the field, there will be a video link in the description where you can see the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.